Okay, we're ready. It's time to start the art. Okay.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Did you miss me? 'Cause I missed you.
No.
Wow, I'm hopping with excitement over this drawing, Artie.
Oh, thank you.
Have a hoptastic day. Bye.
Bye. Keep watching, because coming up, we're going to have a song. It'll be fun. Are you ready for a song? Me too. Let's sing a song.
Artie's got mud and a splash of jam on his fingers and his little hand. Mom said go wash, he just ran. That's not the Artie wash your hands plan. He hides behind the couch with a cheeky grin. His hands are sticky from his lunchtime win. Peanut butter smears on his chin. Who needs clean when mess is in? No, 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 I won't you see. These dirty hands are part of me. Splish splash soap's not in my spree. I'll stay messy, wild and free. Artie's fingers drew on the wall. Mom spotted the shapes. Oh no, a doodle call. Come on, kiddo, it's just one stall. But Artie pretends he's 10 feet tall. Soap is slimy, water is cold. Artie says he's just too bold. But germs are sneaky, Mom is told. That's how they make you catch a cold. No, 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 I won't you see. These dirty hands are part of me. Splish splash soap's not in my spree. I'll stay messy, wild and free.
Oh, I could sing all day long, but we have to finish this drawing. Come along. Drawing is so much fun. Painty! Oh no! Painty!
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah. Very funny.
I'm finished! Oh gosh, it came out really good. But it needs color, doesn't it? What color should I use, little artist? What do you think? Oh, good idea. Okay, let's color it in.
Say, Artie, I think you should color it in. Color it in, color it in. Color, color, color it in.
I'm finished. Oh boy, that was fun. Doesn't it look good now it's got color? Oh, I love color.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye.
Wasn't that a fun show? Yeah, we loved it. Well, thanks for coming, and we hope to see you again soon. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye.